Today we're there with
And you know you're there with Cube, Pana time in boss. You see me I say? Yeah.
Cube. In your opinion, who is the king of dancehall?
Well, Muda say who them give the king, Muda say him deserve the throne for now. You see me I say? Cause you know at the end of the day, every man have them time, you know. Every man have them moment, you know. You see me I say? And right now a vybz Kartel moment. You see me? So me not go take it from him. Me not go say him not deserve it. Cause me as a juvenile I grew up. I see dog put in whole heap of work, you dance all whole heap of strength. You see me I say? Yes, so big up yourself, Addy. Although you know me daddy, fully pan a timing.
If you have a clash of artists right now, which artist say that clash?
Right now, Muda clash Alkaline. Muda clash Massacre. And right now, currently, me I go right off Silk Bass career. You see me? Yeah. Check out a song named Duppy Flim by Cube. QBE Duppy Flim. When me a slaughter Silk Bass lyrically in that. You see me? I know him can't resurrect from that. And I him saying, wow, Silk Bass, where I do. Stop it capping, man.
Alright, DJ, give me a little piece now, man.
Them nah do a thing. Clarty 16 till he broke the fire pin. Quiet him. And me a the real Duppy Flim. No have gun fi pose me no money queen. Me kill anybody you coulda guard so till 4-4 make you dead with your teeth a kin. Murder Silk and him next of kin. Them a no bad boy, them a Peter King. Glock chip tell the Jimmy no need no sim. Them gunshot ya make you swell like Uncle Phil. Head sick, them a wonder if a crack and pill. Do it me and me gonna park, carry Jack and Jill. 9 binds a boy your clothes, no give a fuck if a silk. Them pussy they a no pass. Nah change, give him a milk. Yeah.
Yes, people, check out the artists, bad artists, and them man that can run the whole place, the whole Jamaica. Yeah. Support the youth them and support them from now. You hear that?